Hello and welcome to the TaxTron web tutorial video series. In this video we will be going over how to prepare a simple or nil return. A simple or nil return refers to a tax return filed by a taxpayer who has no income or employment amounts to report. Start off by completing the personal information and address pages under the identification heading. Afterward, if applicable, provide details about your dependents before proceeding to the income section. The next step will be filling out the income section. The initial step will involve selecting the types of income and forms that apply to your situation. However, since we are preparing a nil return with no income to report, you should not select any of these options. Proceed by clicking the Next button, which will direct you to the income summary page. On this page, you should observe that a total income of $0 has been reported. You may now proceed with completing the deductions and provincial tax sections of your return as usual. It's important to keep in mind that the impact on your refund balance may vary depending on the specific deductions or tax credits you provide information for. Please note that certain deductions or tax credits are only applicable if your income exceeds the basic personal amount. In this specific example, you will notice that you are entitled to a refund of $200. This refund amount is due to the claim made for the staycation credit, which is not affected by the taxpayer's income. Once you reach the Review and File stage, navigate to the section titled Possible Errors, and then select the subsection for Taxpayer Errors. You will be prompted with the question, is your income zero or negative? Choose the option Yes. Congratulations! You have now completed a nil return successfully. You can proceed with the remaining final steps to finalize your tax return. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.